Okay, hello everyone. Let's talk now about the process that we are going to use in order to analyze how is the user experience in this website, in Zappos in particular, for buying a trial running shoes. So we're going to break down the process step by step. And step number one is let's suppose that I have 100 visitors that come to my place, for example, from Google. So the question is, what are the key drivers in order to create trust and relevance for these users? Because they are in Google, they are searching for trial running shoes. Maybe they find our Zappos there, so they click, they scan the content wherever, maybe they go back to Google, click in some other place, and etc. So this is the usual, the common user behavior. They go to Google, they click on several sites until they decide where do they stay. So how long does this process take? I mean, let's suppose for someone who doesn't know the brand Zappos, so he's just looking for the product, the trial running shoes. The studies say that it's less than 5 seconds. So you have less than 5 seconds to create a positive first impression to the users that visit your website for the first time. Now, what are the key drivers to create this relevancy and trust? So let me just go through 10 particular elements that you can check, for example, in the page of Zappos, in the homepage of Zappos. Number one is relevant content. As Jean, you were saying, it's about choosing a relevant landing page. So if the user was searching for women's shoes, that should be the landing page. If it's sports shoes for men, that is the landing page. So relevance is key, of course. Then, as Antonio said, if you have a trusted brand like Zappos that people already know, or maybe they associate with Amazon, that is another factor, of course, in order to build trust and interest. Then the page layout. Many of you mentioned that. How is the structure of the main menu, the category structures that you find in the left-hand side? How does the website looks? I mean, from a visual point of view. Number four is showing the main content above the fold. Okay, so not without the need of scrolling down. So 80% of the time is spent on the above the fold section. The scrolling down is for more details. Then number five is the right use of images. Um, so this is about so what are the images that are relevant for what the user is searching for, and how to make the good how to use the right images or the right layout and etc. So I attach here a video about the tool, which is the Google Website Optimizer, which is if you have to choose between two options, for example, let's say image A or B, and you need to make that decision. As I said in the brain teaser, it should be a database decision, so you can run A/B testings. Okay, so here you have this tool, the Google Website Optimizer, that helps to do that, and this is for free. Number six is the meaning of colors. Colors have universal meanings, like for example, blue is for trust and serenity. Red is passion, energy, is very good for call to actions. Pink is romantic or feminine. Black is more for luxury. What else? Yellow is more um, cheerful. Green is more for environmentally friendly. So keep in mind that colors have a meaning. So I guess the blue color here makes a lot of sense. Visible contact information. Also, the free shipping part is very interesting for Zappos, because this is one of the main barriers for people buying shoes online. They want to try, so you can order several types of shoes. You get them at home for free. You try them all, and then you return back for free the ones that you don't want. security certification by other partners, so by third-party parties, sorry, and having a website that is mobile optimized, of course, and the A/B testing that I mentioned. Okay, so we can consider average. I mean, from your answers, I understand there was a little bit of confusion in my question. What I mean is not the bounce rate of those people that didn't know Zappos and find us just by searching on Google. It is on average, in average terms, it is out of 100 visitors that come to my website, how many leave and how many stay as a percentage, as an average. And let's consider that the bounce rate is 30%, so 30 users leave and 70 stay. What is the next action that we want these users to take? Of course, is to find the product that they are looking for. So let's go for the analysis of this part.